For a great, low-impact workout without the cost or hassle of going to a gym, install one of these air bikes with fans in your home. It is a device used as exercise equipment. It includes a saddle, pedal, and some form of handlebars arranged as on a bicycle. They'll get you sweating as you would on a regular bike, but without having to endure any bad weather. Place one in your exercise room or your living room so you can watch TV while you get fit. So if you're looking for one, we can help you with some of the best in the business. Check out our video to get more details about the latest products on the market. The Marcy Exercise Upright Fan Bike is multifunctional equipment that features a premium steel frame that combines design and performance. It is constructed from 14-gauge steel tubing with a scratch-resistant and powder-coated finish. This bike boasts durability in its uses. It comes with dual-action exercise arms, which are designed to give you an efficient and effective workout. And this exercise fan bike features a pair of dual-action exercise designed to work your upper body while targeting multiple muscle groups simultaneously. It has an innovative resistance system that utilizes a fan instead of a weighted flywheel that increases resistance as you pedal faster and produces cold air to improve comfort and endurance while you work out. Besides, it has an LCD computer screen that acts as an odometer. Another advantage is that it features an adjustable seat that can accommodate users of different body types. Moreover, the seat facilitates proper body form during exercises and allows the body to precisely conform to the equipment. The Body Rider Exercise Upright Fan Bike comes with dual-action extended handlebars for upper and lower body engagement. The ergonomic design engages your arms and upper body for an exact full-body workout by targeting cardio and strength training. It has easy-to-adjust resistance levels and workout intensity with the turn of a knob. It provides a high-momentum fan wheel system which offers a fluid workout. Also, the adjustable seat and updated cushion for better comfort. Besides, the rugged and versatile stationary bicycle includes a fan wheel so you can enjoy a cooling breeze as you build and tone your body. It also includes an easy-to-use tension adjustment wheel so you can add tension as you make strength with your repeated exercise sessions. Moreover, it is easy to adjust resistance level and workout intensity with the turn of a knob. Another added feature includes the stable steel frame and a fan wheel to keep you fresh while working up a sweat. The Schwinn Airdyne Pro exercise bike comes with a single-stage belt drive for instant activation and a smooth, more efficient and effective workout. It uses a progressive wind resistance technology to meet the needs of beginner exercisers to those recovering from an injury to elite athletes. Also, the custom-designed 26-blade fan enables users to burn more calories on the Airdyne Pro bike compared to a leading competitor fan bike at the same RPM. Besides, the console features a tachometer that visually signals how hard you're exercising, a motivational tool that begs you to bury the needle. Moreover, it has a built-in HIIT program like 20/10 or 30/90 tab at an application, as well as time, calorie, miles, or kilometer programs. Multi-grip handlebars add comfort, and you can isolate the upper body using stationary anti-slip foot pegs. Another added feature includes the durable workhorse, which is built to take a beating for years. With a double-coated steel body and moisture-repellent frame. Holding the first place among the list of best air bikes, we have the Assault Air Bike by Assault Fitness. It offers 20 sealed ball bearings throughout the frame and pivot points to provide a smooth and durable feel. It has infinite resistance for upper and lower body extremities based on air resistance, and it can get a complete CrossFit workout. Also, it has state-of-the-art LCD console that is still easy to navigate at the push of a button, but your customization options range from onboard programs to instant, multifaceted monitor feedback is almost limitless. With a custom seat that is anatomically designed and sweat-proof, over built, forged chromoly cranks that increase strength and durability. Moreover, it can deliver intense workout sessions, but the cycling motion isn't jarring to the body. Compared with many other stationary bikes, it's much gentler to your joints. You can monitor time, distance, calories, watts, RPMs, and the speed with the onboard smart computer console. It includes motivating programs like Tabata intervals, which help to build up strength and stamina, or you can choose the heart rate monitoring program that will monitor your pulse and help work to build up your aerobic base. Thanks for watching. That's it for today's video. Thanks guys. Hit the like button if this video was good and helped you to reach a decision. To show us some more support, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get instant notifications.